just like we expect people today to be able to use computers and we teach basic fundamental computing skills, we are going to expect people to have generative AI skills and the ability to do prompt engineering and interact and solve problems through conversation with computing. I think the other thing that's indicative of this is one of the top questions that I get all the time is, how do I get a job as a prompt engineer? And I always tell people, I've heard these jobs exist, but I've never seen them. But I've heard a lot of companies that have said, we want every single employee to understand how to use some basic prompt engineering, how to use generative AI to solve problems. And I've actually only met one prompt engineer in my entire time that I've been doing this. But I've met enormous numbers of companies that said, we expect every one of our employees to do this, every role to do this. And so I think that itself is a data point that this is not it is not a niche skill that we're going to have, a big job market for prompt engineers and nobody else is going to know about it. No, this is computing for all. And when it becomes computing for all, which it is, then you expect everybody to have to learn it.